Is it a hexagon?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No. Oh.
Oh, look. Oval.
No.
Is that an oval?
No.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh, that's an oval? What's that? A rectangle?
Yeah.
Square? What's that?
Heart.
No, that's not heart.
Heart.
What is that? Is that oval?
No.
What was it?
Diamond.
Oh, that's a diamond. What's that?
No.
Crescent?
Shake
What's that?
Guys.
Star? What's that?
Banana.
Wow. You're so smart.
Heart.
That's what's that one? A hexagon?
A gun.
What's that one?
Heart.
Yeah.
What's the other
What's that one?
Gun.
Square?
No.
Is it a square?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Owl.
Oh, you're right. That isn't a square. That's a rectangle. You're
No.
right. What's that?
Owl.
Oval? You got a booger nose. Tell Sissy to go get a wipe.
Yup.
Go get her a wipe.
Nice.
Say, can you give me a wipe, please?
No. No.
No, say it nice.
No.
Say please.
Please.
Okay.
Hexagon?
A gun.
Oh, no, that's not an octagon. What's that?
Diamond.
Diamond. Good job. What's that?
Heart. Heart.
Yeah, what's that? What's that one?
Guys.
Star. Good job.